Now, welcome dear students, friends. Today we are going to discuss on two kind of plant kingdom में two kind of algae are there. Otherwise there are three. It is green algae, we will discuss it later on. First we will discuss about the two kind of algae. Dear students, friends, plant kingdom contain 4-5 things. Let me tell you. Algae contain three kinds of algae: green algae, brown algae, red algae. After algae we will study about the lichens, or we may left the lichens. Then lichens are not the part of plant. Then we will discuss about the bryophytes. Bryophytes are also called the amphibian of the plant kingdom. Then we will discuss about the pteridophytes. ब्रायोफाइट वो प्लांट है जिनमें सबसे पहले लीफ, रूट, स्टेम डिस्टिंग्विश देखे जा सकते हैं कि हाँ ये लीफ जैसा स्ट्रक्चर है, ये रूट जैसा है और ये स्टेम जैसा है. टेरिडोफाइट्स वो फर्स्ट प्लांट है लैंड के, अर्थ के, जिनमें वाटर कंडक्टिंग सिस्टम इज देयर, xylem and phloem is there. First time they have seen these vascular bundles are seen in pteridophytes. Then we will study about the gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are the plant division in which only seeds are there but no fruit around the seed. Like mango, seed is inside the fruit. It is angiosperm. But in Pinus, Cycas, they do not have fruit. Only seeds are there. तो जिस प्लांट में केवल सीड्स होते हैं और फ्रूट नहीं होते, दे आर जिम्नोस्पर्म. और जिनमें फ्रूट के अंदर सीड्स होते हैं, दे आर द लेटेस्ट एंड मॉडर्न प्लांट कॉल्ड एंजियोस्पर्म. फिर एंजियोस्पर्म में भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे थोड़ा मोनोकॉट्स, डाइकोट्स के बारे में. तो लेट अस सी अबाउट द रेड एल्गी. देखिए, मोस्ट ऑफ द रेड एल्गीज आर मैराइन. खारे पानी में, समुद्र में रहने वाले आर कॉल्ड द मैराइन. दीज आर मेनली सी ड्वेलर्स. इसमें like Batrachospermum, it is fresh water red algae. This question mainly asked by the PMT NEET examiners. Okay, which red algae is fresh water dweller? So Batrachospermum is fresh water living red algae. Otherwise, mainly all red algae are marine. Now examples of red algae like Porphyridium, Gelidium. Gelidium जो है ये शूलेस जैसा होता है. And Porphyridium, it is single celled red algae. Single cell red algae. And Chondrus like the ribbon like red algae, पतला और ऐसे सपाट जैसे सेलोटेप होती है, इस तरह का. थोड़ा और ठीक समझ सकते हैं बस. दैट इज रेड एल्गी कॉन्ड्रस. और शीट जैसा, पेज जैसा, दैट इज पोरफाइरा. अब रेड एल्गी कंटेन सेल वॉल. दिस सेल वॉल इज मेड अप इन द प्लांट्स, इन मॉडर्न प्लांट्स, बट वी आर लुकिंग ओनली द सेलुलोज एंड pectin, and some woody plants may have lignin suberin. But here in the red algae, this contains cellulose, pectin and agar and fumarate, and they contain some more carotenoids like substance carcinogen. Or what? These are the members of cell wall in red algae. Then a question, very important question, okay, why red algae is red in color? So a pigment is present that is called phycoerythrin. Due to this pigment, red algae are red in color. Then they can reproduce through fragmentation. एक रेड एल्गी के अगर टुकड़े हो जाएं तो हर टुकड़ा नया रेड एल्गी बना सकता है. This process is asexual method in red algae, that is called fragmentation. टुकड़े टुकड़े होके हर टुकड़ा नए ऑर्गेनिज्म में बदल सकता है. That is called fragmentation. Now dear students, come towards the more asexual reproduction, that is by spore formation. Spore powder like substance होते हैं, single cell के होते हैं. When they will spread in the atmosphere or in the water, on getting the favorable conditions, they will germinate. The neutral spore, carpospores, tetraspores, corpospores, gamules, gamma, and that is found in bryophytes. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये उसको मैच भी करते हैं. These are the types of spores present in the red algae. And red algae reproduces through sexual reproduction also. They contain male and female sex organ. And this spermatium is the male gamete and carpogonium is the female body organ in which egg is present, or you may say egg. These spermatiums, they will come through the water current in carpogonium, and the sexual reproduction takes place because it is not motile. Immotile means जो खुद चल नहीं सकता, that is non-motile. मोटाइल नहीं है, मूवेबल नहीं है, इसीलिए इनको oogoनियम कैटेगरी में रखा गया है. उसके बाद sexual reproduction will take place and the sperm will enter inside the egg and they will make a zygote and it will divide and will work as a more new organisms. What we are getting as an economic importance from the red algae, this is the agar. Agar we mainly use in the lab for the solid substratum and making some jellies, ice. In ice cream also we use some red algae, and agar is mainly used for the creams and jellies. And the phenori, it is good adhesive, चिपकाने के काम आता like the फेविकोल. The phenori is the good adhesive. It is red algae. And one important point in the red algae is, like in plants, stored food form is starch. In the same way, in the red algae, stored food form is Floridian starch. Floridian starch. In brown algae, it is also called Phaeophyceae. This red algae is called Rhodophyceae. It is called Phaeophyceae. So, and the green algae are called Chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Chlorophyceae. These are the name of these algae. Red algae, Rhodophyceae. Brown algae, Phaeophyceae. Green algae, Chlorophyceae. Understood? Now, this brown algae, their example like the Laminaria, Fucus, Ectocorpus, Sargassum. They are the very big algae. Brown algae are called kelps. Kelps means बड़े बड़े algae होते हैं. कई मीटर लंबे, 100 मीटर लंबे तक ये हो सकते हैं. एक समुंदर में तो सार्गोसम जो है वो इतना ज्यादा फैला हुआ है कि उसके समुंदर का सी का नाम ही सार्गोसा रख दिया. It is called Sargasso Sea, containing a lot of Sargasso. If you will see the image of Sargasso, it is like the running plants और द क्लाइंबिंग प्लांट्स, बेल जैसे होती है, मनी प्लांट्स लाइक इस तरह की ब्राउन कलर की ये एक चीज होती है जो हम ब्राउन एल्गी कह रहे हैं. एंड इट मे अटैच्ड विद द शिप्स और फैन. इनसाइड द फैन बेल्ट दे मे एंटर एंड दे मे डैमेज द शिप आल्सो. नेक्स्ट हम इसी में बात करें कि दे आर द brown algae, they are the photosynthetic, they can prepare their food by their own. They contain the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenoids. And why they are brown in color? The important question is why they are brown in color. Because my dear students, this fucoxanthin, it is brown color pigment. Fucoxanthin, brown color pigment, fucoxanthin. याद करना है ये आपको. That is laminaria and mannitol. It is the stored form of the food. Stored form of the food. Stored form of the food. So in brown algae, stored form of the food is what? Laminaria and mannitol. Now this brown algae contain motile gametes. इसके जो gametes होंगे, they contain flagella and they will fly and they will swim in the water and they may reach to their females. And it contains the heterocont flagellation, means this flagella contain one long flagella, another is short. That is called hetero. Two kind of flagella is there. So and these algae, brown algae, large kelps, they can flow in the water because they have buoyancy. Means उनके अंदर air भरी होती है. Bladders, they have bladders and they will help. These bladders will help in the algae to swim or to suspend in the water. So this was about the brown algae, and we will discuss more on the green algae. So my dear students, please note down it. Please note down.